Are you okay? I can't rush over to help you.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie, and this is my husband Luke. We made a bad decision. We sold our house, bought a boat, quit our jobs, and now we're sailing around the world. Welcome to Bad Decisions Yacht Club, where you're just one bad decision away from greatness. Come and join us. Last week you left us at Hunter Island, and this week we're sailing north to the Percy Islands. The Percy Islands are a remote island group located off the coast of Queensland in the southern Great Barrier Reef. Because of their remote location, the islands are known for crystal clear water, turtles, bird life, and incredible night skies.
I'll go check.
What is it?
The rubbish on the door.
Got some 40 seas today. It's not even like they're big swell, it's just choppy. I just cleaned those fucking things too. So annoying. So we're getting about through wind and we're getting up to about 9 knots without even surfing, just cruising along at 9 knots on a bit of a broad reach. It doesn't get better than that. That's good sailing. That's what that is.
Always very humble.
The sail over turned out to be a little bit sporty, but luckily it only took a couple of hours before we finally pulled into Percy and dropped anchor. First stop, the famous Percy Island A-Frame. For years sailors passing through have left their mark here. Flags, shirts, signs, stickers, basically a giant collection of boat memories from people sailing all over the world. Of course, we were going to have to add something from the Bad Decisions Yacht Club.
I'm going to sacrifice my shirt.
Which shirt?
The Bad Decisions Yacht Club shirt. I'm going to do the one with the skeleton on the back because that's got like the Bad Decisions Yacht Club and the skeleton.
Where are you going to put it?
I don't know, we'll just hang it in here somewhere.
Oh, there's a barbecue.
We continued to explore the island and started to follow the signs that took you to the lagoon.
Shoes. Huh?
We'll take the tender in.
Okay.
Oh, fucking hell. Jesus.
You know it's bad if you're complaining. All right.
Rocks everywhere. Oof.
Definitely a shoe hike. Okay, abort mission.
So with no shoes, we decided to take the tender in to check out the lagoon. Then it was time to go back to the boat so Luke could get to work turning one of our Bad Decisions Yacht Club t-shirts into official A-Frame memorabilia.
You're getting jazzy with it.
Well, you got to do it.
From this angle, it looks like a 7-Up symbol.
Well, it's not.
It's like Mr. Squiggle. Hold on.
Yeah, you did that. That'd be awesome.
Hold it up and show us. Talk about your design.
So I'm going to sacrifice my very stylish and fashionable Bad Decisions Yacht Club shirt so that everyone knows it's us. And just right, Luke Cairns arrived 10th to 4th 2026 on sailing vessel Lady Eleanor.
Hey, a bit crookedy towards the end there, but
You know,
still
doesn't
good.
matter.
Yeah.
Just people need to be able to read that it was us.
All right.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 25. Okay, we can get a big honey.
The day before, we had stumbled across this sign, so we scrounged together enough cash to buy some Percy Island honey.
Go for a walk and see if we can find some sticks to make a fake man out of.
Okay.
Okay.
So off we went on our hike, keeping an eye out for the perfect sticks and coconut husk to add to our t-shirt memorabilia along the way.
Okay. Lead the way. So what path are we doing?
The short track.
Short track. I know, but is it just called the short track?
It's called, yeah, homestead via short track.
Are you okay? I think I'll just go under. Oh my god. That's goats. I think they're goats. Hold on, Luke. Are they goats or dingoes? What the fuck?
This is some real Treasure Island type shit, isn't it? Maybe we think it's that way.
Oh, we're gone the wrong way. What?
Yeah.
After getting slightly confused with the signage, we were back on track to the homestead. Once we made it to the top, it was pretty incredible. The homestead has gardens full of fruit and veggies, and the whole place feels completely self-sufficient, like its own tiny world in the middle of nowhere.
We mean no harm. Are you okay? I can't rush over to help you. I didn't even see you fall over. Did you really land on a stick?
It wasn't, hey?
Turn around, let me see your pants.
Alright, I used my shorts as protection.
Whoa. Why would we wear thongs? Suppose it's a step up from yesterday. No shoes. I don't know if I want to go the way you went.
It's alright, I moved the stick.
Where are we going? Are we not going back that way?
There's an arrow that pointed this way. Maybe the track goes this way there.
Oh god, we're going to get lost.
This could be a shortcut.
Yeah, right. That's what they always say. Ow.
Alright.
Yep.
After the hike back down, there was only one thing left to do: jump straight into the water.
Oh, and be like, be happy. Don't look like you're drowning. That's okay. Whoa! Okay.
How'd you go?
Another coral trout.
Another coral trout. Where did you go?
But the current ripped through there, so what I had to do was like, I had to like just drag the tender, like drifted the tender through there. So rather than fight the current, I just drifted with it and then had the tender attached to me, up to my float. Shit, yeah, it's not easy for this stuff.
So we're out of gas.
Oh, fuck off, serious?
Yes, because we said it, we voiced it last night. So I'm just been waiting for, either start the engine or get this so we can do some cooking.
Our friends Cody and Elena, who are also sailing to Indonesia with us, had caught up with us in Percy, bringing us new generator filters in the hope of getting ours up and running again, and lending us their solar blankets to try and get some charge back into our very low batteries.
What you doing?
Doing the service on the generator to see if it fixes it.
Because it's been broken, nearly a month?
Since Fraser.
Thoughts? No idea. How much would a new generator bloody cost? Thousands.
I'm gonna go this big again.
Not
So
necessary.
I'm put a fucking small one.
Yeah.
This is a 6 kVA. We need a 3 kVA max. And then we could just use a little portable one. We don't need one this big.
So what if you put the new filter in
Mhm.
and you change the oil
Mhm.
and still nothing?
Nothing.
So pissed off about the generator still not working, it was time to blow off some steam and take a paddleboard ride over to the shore.
Okay, we've officially run out of gas. So it's air fryer night. Huh?
We're out of beer.
Beer,
Wine.
beer, wine, water, food, gas, electricity, everything. We've run out of everything. And now I'm going to run this air fryer tonight and use the last bit of power we have. Nah, we'll be right. But yeah, we are running low on everything. Okay, we're making pizza tonight. Pizza in the air fryer. Do you reckon I just assemble it in the air fryer? I made these flatbreads earlier today. I think I'm just gonna make it in the air fryer. Because I mean, that saves dishes, right? There. Now, we don't have much grated cheese left. I'm going to... Olives. I mean, that's fucking fancy having some olives on the pizza.
We have olives.
Yeah! I've been saving them for a special occasion.
You were saving this shit for a special occasion.
Yeah, and when we're out of absolutely everything, that's the special occasion. Pepperoni. Also something I've been hiding from Luke. Because Luke just tends to eat all the good snacks on day one.
Our final morning at Percy, we headed back to the A-Frame one last time to find the perfect place to hang our Bad Decisions Yacht Club t-shirt.
Would it be extremely cheeky to hang it right in the entryway? I reckon I'm going to get up on here and do it over there.
Okay.
It's going to be fucking very scary. Anyway, let's see if we go here.
Oh, the other side looks easier.
Look at the ropes here.
I think... Okay.
I never learned how to climb ropes.
God! Oh, you knocked something off.
Oh no, did I seriously?
Yeah, I'll put it back up. It's just a teddy. I don't know where it was. Oh.
I was going to put a head on it, but now we're not. We're just going to dress it.
We
in
don't
the
have
stick.
time. We stuffed around too much.
Enjoying the island.
Yeah.
Doing important stuff.
Exactly.
And then what I'll do is I'll hang it from there.
Okay. Perfect.
Once I'm done, I'm going to lock around some stuff. Oh shit.
Oh my God. Shit. Then you got to get down and see what it looks like when you wander past. If you can. Cool, man.
Walking past it. Oh, Bad Decisions Yacht Club. That's so cool. I've seen them on YouTube.
That's that stupid guy that always falls over and hurts himself. Yeah, man. Looks great. Now, what was the other thing we wanted?
It was honey. So how much did you bring over with you?
Well, we scraped together 20 bucks. Hold on. Here, there's 20 bucks.
This one's in a squeezy jar. We haven't got 25.
No, put that one back.
That one looks like a nice darkish colour. Looks like a good consistency. It's a good vintage. Alright, so 20 bucks.
Yeah.
And we'll
Okay.
get some honey out of it.
Yeah, that's the one you want.
That's it. Thank you, Percy.
Okay. And Luke's final job before heading off again, grabbing a few coconuts for the next leg of the journey.
No coconut can survive me.
Because you can't go for one on the side you are, it will fall on your head.
Correct.
It looks like you've cut...
Fuck. Fucking oil or a wasp flying around up here.
Well, yay! Hey, there we go. We just need two. Okay, there's plenty. Good work.
Oh, it's so nice here. I don't really want to go.
Join us next week as we sail to Curlew Island, dodge our way through cargo ships, and sail on to St. Bees.